What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Tuesday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. It is a nice hot one out here today in Dallas, but I wanted to do a quick video and I hope this helps some of you, especially if you're just starting in the detailing business. But I hope this video kind of makes sense. Anyways, this is a Ford Ranger, and I'll bring the camera up a little bit closer so you guys can see how this paint looks. The objective of today's video is to showcase a product or a tool that I see many using, and that is simply a magic eraser. All right, if you've never used a magic eraser, they have a variety of scenarios that this comes in handy. And again, this is just my opinion, take it or leave it. I know some use this for the interiors, but to be honest, guys, I don't recommend using magic erasers on your interiors. Yeah, we see these YouTube videos or TikToks where they're using the magic eraser, they're cleaning some vehicles, but to be honest, guys, I'm very when it comes to magic erasers, I want to be as safe as possible. And in my opinion, magic erasers are in a way very abrasive, especially if you're using this like on leathers, on plastics, on anything like that. I really don't like using these magic erasers. Maybe you haven't seen it, but you will cause some sort of shedding of the materials because you're using this here. And I think these, some people say they are equal as to 5,000 grit, which in a way it kind of makes sense. But if you're using for your interiors, be cautious, be very be very cautious. You'll see it in some doors where you can literally remove a bit off the die by using this. And sometimes you're cleaning plastics and it's like black or browns, and you use it, you'll see the color of the material, and it's not dirt, you're removing the dye off of the plastics and leathers. But anyways, don't use this, in my opinion, for your interiors. I'm going to show you where this here truly shines. So let me get this camera a little bit closer. I'll show you scenarios where this comes in handy. All right, guys, so for scenario number one, we have scuff marks, right? If you're ever dealing with that, right, or a customer has some sort of scuff mark like this, and I really don't know what could have happened, but we do see some impact on here, right? Let me show you how quickly you're able to fix an issue like that. So two ways. One way is I'm just using some soap and water in here really quick, and one way is you can spray your sponge, right? And the other way is you can spray the area there. But check this out, look how quickly we can kind of blend this a little bit. And pretty much gone. That is one way quickly and efficiently to remove scuff marks, okay? But usually I recommend you, if you ever use anything like this, come back over those areas and apply like a wax on it or a sealant, anything in that nature to just protect it. For this next scenario, guys, hopefully I can get up here, but we're gonna be working on this rust spots, and hopefully you guys can see it. And I'm just gonna spray this area here. If you ever have some rust spots, whether it could be like on a boat or whatever the case may be, look how easy you can kind of remove those rough spots. So if you had like oxidation or anything kind of dripping down, look at that. Very quickly, we took it from this to this by just rubbing it a little bit. Again, it's always best to just polish over it. So rust spots, the magic eraser is literally no match for this. One of my favorite areas is under the doors. It's where usually like all the nails and stuff. Literally, you get your magic eraser and literally just give a couple swipes, and that will remove the majority of those scratches, those small little scratches, and then you can apply a wax over it, and that's it. And that pretty much concludes today's video. Just a quick demonstration on truly what a magic eraser can do. Again, I don't recommend it, using it on interiors, just because I honestly feel and have seen that this causes a reaction with the materials, leather, plastics. And I know we see this on TikTok a lot, or on YouTube, right? In my opinion, I don't recommend this on the interior. At the end of the day, I am just an opinion. Yes, they do work on the interiors, but it's truly the effect it leaves after that these are just not safe. But when it comes to exteriors, you guys saw a little bit of the scenarios where this truly works. And I use this a lot on exteriors. When I see minor scuffs, I'll literally kind of rub it in there, and then I'll just apply like a polish over it. It doesn't take me long, and the customers are always happy, obviously, by just taking care of things like that at no cost to them. But it's always good to have magic erasers in your vehicle, in your work truck, because they do come in handy. But anyways, I hope today's video kind of helped you guys out. Literally, you can buy these packs for like sometimes maybe like $10 for a pack of 40. But I'll try to post a link down below on the description of this of these magic erasers. Anyways, you guys have a blessed Tuesday. God bless y'all, and I'll see you guys on the next video.